I've been doing CrossFit for 15 years now. That's when I started realizing that I wasn't able to do the things that everybody else was doing. My name is Sara Johnson. I had my first surgery in May with Dr. Jones in Ozark. One of the reasons that I went through the surgery was because there are other things that I like to do. Here in the Ozarks, we can do hunting and fishing and hiking, and I like to do all those things. And I knew that I needed to have this done to be able to continue doing that because I was not getting any better. So when I saw Dr. Jones for the first time, he showed me the x-rays and he told me how bad my left knee was and that I needed to have it replaced.
Sara's a special patient. Her goals were to get back to thriving and to competing. She had a clear realization of where she was. She had bilateral with severe varus deformity, degenerative joint disease of both knees. She really could not do the things that brought her joy anymore.
I started with my left knee, and next week is going to be 6.5 months into it. Dr. Jones told me that it will take about a year. My right knee is going to be 3 months next week. You know, you have to have patience with it. It's on me to do the stretches at home. Once
we had restored her kinematics with these implants, we were able to provide a watertight, wonderful wound closure with the STRATAFIX system and DERMABOND printing. We were able to use really cutting-edge technology from the very beginning to the end, resulting in a functional result that was phenomenal, but also aesthetically very, very desirable.
When I look at my scars, I know that they were necessary to have this surgery. So the scar will remind me that I'm gonna do even better when everything heals. My goal is to be able to do the squats and stuff that I couldn't do before.